Chugga. Chugga? Okay, Bee, what in the world? She adds water. What is happening? Wait, I can explain. It's magic! And it's getting cold in here. Liquid nitrogen! Bingo! This is what's making the mist. See, guys, you should learn chemistry. It's like magic with math! Yep, just changed my mind. Anyway, Betty puts the ice cream in. Scoop the loop. Cool beans! Whoa! Hee-hee! Yellow, yellow! And pink power! Aw, yeah!
Wow.
Sprinkle those sparkles. Granny better have some masterpiece planned, because this train's leaving the station! Wow, wow, wow! Coolio!